WE Allosaurus 4.3 na high kappa pistol. Shoutout kay Boss Jerry. So naka metal slide, metal yung frame, may under rail for attachment, threaded outer barrel, naka fiber optic sights, 45 ACP, markings, ayan. So may magwheel na rin. And then guys, itong long magazine niya, aftermarket to ha. Kinuha to ni Bossing ng separate. So 50 rounds to. Ito yung original na magazine niya. Ayan. So may kasama na ring base plate for optic attachment dun sa box. And then ang compatible na scope or red dot dun sa base plate is Dr. Sight. So kumuha na rin si Bossing. So yung unit, firing mode is semi-auto at saka full auto. So ito for safety, itong nandito sa kaliwa, and then itong nasa kanan is the selector. So pag nakataas yan, semi-auto. Sige, test natin. Chrono check, 324, 319. So ibababa ko to guys, auto. Yun, solid. So for more details, PM kayo sa Mavs Sapi PH.